Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We had provided you with updates in two matters concerning disgraced and disbarred former attorney Alex Murdoch. One concerning a criminal action where the Supreme Court of the state of South Carolina threw out two convictions concerning the unalivings of his wife and his son. The Supreme Court's ruling detailed misconduct by the clerk of court, Rebecca Hill, for her own financial gain. We are continuing to monitor the situation to see if the authorities in South Carolina refile these charges against Mr. Murdoch, as there has been some out-of-court statements alleging that they would. As of this time, those charges have not been refiled. We also informed you of Mr. Murdoch's civil rights case. This is a federal lawsuit for money damages, compensatory as well as punitive damages, styled as Murdoch versus Hill, filed in federal court, South Carolina District Court, on May 17th, after the Supreme Court of South Carolina threw out his convictions. The complaint alleges that the defendant Hill interfered with his right to a fair and impartial jury. This is an action brought pursuant to 42 United States Code, Section 1983, for deprivation of rights. And it alleges that the defendant, Ms. Hill, who resigned from her position as clerk of court while she was the elected clerk, made some improper statements to his jury. He is seeking to hold her accountable and recover compensatory damages regarding the more than $600,000 in defense fees concerning the unaliving convictions. He's also looking for punitive damages. These are sometimes referred to as punishment damages. We've looked at the docket today, and it's May 24th. As of this time, it does not appear that Ms. Hill has been served with process. However, there is a court order that was entered, and it states that according to responses to the court's local rule 2601 interrogatories that the court required to be answered by plaintiff, and they were answered at the time he filed his complaint, it appeared that the original judge who had been assigned to the case needed to withdraw based on the fact that there might be some relationship to a prior case assigned to that judge, styled as Murdoch versus Moya. The Honorable Cameron McGowan Curry has entered an order of recusal from the case. It has been assigned to a new judge, and that is the Honorable Richard M. Gergel will now be the jurist presiding over Mr. Murdoch's federal civil rights case against Ms. Hill. We are going to keep you posted regarding future developments in Murdoch versus Hill, so please stay tuned to the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us here today.